Hi there, welcome back to another customer story. Today I'll be talking about how Javelin and SOLIDWORKS has helped Nautel create world-class products over the past 20 years. This story originates from our Virtual Tech Conference archive, so if you like this video, check out the full presentation by Panczyk. So who is Nautel? Founded in 1969, they have grown to currently have 4 facilities in Nova Scotia, Ontario, Bangor, Maine, and France. To date, they have shipped over 16,000 transmitters to over 177 different countries. Their core products are high-powered solid-state radio frequency products used for radio broadcast, navigation, sonar, and other industrial applications. Just to name a couple of their accomplishments, they invented the world's first solid-state high-power radio beacon transmitter in 1970, developed digital transmission technologies in the early 2000s, commissioned the world's largest digital radio project in 2017, and have many other accolades before, after, and everywhere in between. One of the tools Nautel has used to continue to improve is SOLIDWORKS. In 2003, Nautel switched from 2D to 3D CAD and never looked back since. For example, all of the tools used for the development of this assembly here made by Nautel uses these products: SOLIDWORKS Premium, PCB Pro, SOLIDWORKS Cable Routing Module, Toolbox, Costing Module, FlowSim, Composer, Visualize, and PDM. Here's a short snippet of Joey's presentation going over some of how they use these tools.
Talk about SOLIDWORKS PCB tool for a little bit. Normally this is how we get our circuit cards in. Someone hands us a hand sketch drawing from engineering. We take that and create the schematic in SOLIDWORKS PCB, and then we create the layout drawing in SOLIDWORKS PCB. This allows us collaboration between the mechanical world and the PCB side of things. Before SOLIDWORKS PCB, we used a different kind of circuit board software, which they would create the software, the circuit boards in 2D, and then we would have to bring them into SOLIDWORKS and recreate the assemblies there. So this is a huge time savings for us, and it's been a great addition to our product portfolio. On the composer side of things, we have also streamlined documentation being deployed to our production floor, I should say. On the left-hand side, this is a drawing that we would provide it to production to build, so it's not very interactive. It's a PDF that they get. And the documentation on the right is the documentation that's to build the product. So WRSs, CMTs, and parts lists. They would have these papers scattered across their work area, and it was very confusing. So with the introduction of Composer, we take the SOLIDWORKS model on the left-hand side, then we transfer into Composer and to create a Composer file. Then at the bottom, our root sheets and CMTs that you've seen on the previous slide is now all to links. So they click on the WRS or CMT or whatever, and they can get the root sheets and connect to mating tables at their fingertips. So the production area is basically all on screen now. We use touch screens. And the work areas are much clearer now. They don't have all this paper floating around that can get lost. And the updates are automatic. So if the file gets updated in the background, they get the latest and greatest version of the file at the time by just clicking on the links. With SOLIDWORKS Visualize, we can now send documentation to customers to get a sense what their product's going to look like in real life without even building the product. So these are some of the custom systems that we've done over the last few years that we designed in SOLIDWORKS and has rendered to send to the customer and say, here's what your product's going to look like, which is a great addition. It gives the customer, that much more appreciation for the effort that we go to win the sale and the support, and gives them a much better idea what their product's going to look like before they even get it and before we even build it. Here's some more images of a piece of equipment that we build. And you can see with Visualize, you can get the shots that you normally can't get with a camera. The one on the top left there, this is kind of taken inside the unit, showing what the cabling looks like, the rear view of the equipment. And some people just can't tell the difference between a rendered image and a picture taking. So, you know, it's adding an extra level of realism to our product.
As you can see, SOLIDWORKS has been a great fit for Nautel's applications and continues to be a vital tool that helps them do everything they need. Over the past 20 years, Javelin has been partners with Nautel in supporting their needs with SOLIDWORKS. 20 years down, and many more to come. If you'd like to learn more about Nautel, check out their website at nautel.com. And if you'd like to learn more about the many SOLIDWORKS tools we offer that can help you get the results you're looking for, or even exceed them, contact us today and we can work together to help you get there. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.